Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Say goodbye to check engine lights, a complete guide to evaporative emission control canister replacement. Wondering when you should replace your evaporative emission control canister? If your check engine light's on and you smell gas around your car, it's time to act. This small but essential part helps keep harmful emissions in check. Ignoring it can lead to bigger engine problems and more trips to the gas station. This guide will walk you through the signs of a failing canister, how to replace it, and why it matters for your vehicle's performance and the environment. Stick around to save money and keep your car running smoothly. Understanding evaporative emission control canister. The evaporative emission control canister is an essential component of a vehicle's emissions control system. We will discuss the function of the evaporative emission control canister and the importance of maintaining it for optimal vehicle performance and environmental considerations. Function of the evaporative emission control canister. The evaporative emission control canister plays a crucial role in reducing harmful emissions from vehicles. It is designed to capture and store fuel vapors that evaporate from the fuel tank, preventing them from being released into the atmosphere. By trapping these vapors, the canister helps to minimize air pollution and improve overall air quality. When the engine is running, the stored vapors in the canister are purged and directed back into the combustion chamber to be burned off. This process ensures that no harmful emissions escape into the environment, keeping the vehicle in compliance with emissions regulations and reducing its carbon footprint. Importance of maintaining the canister. Regular maintenance of the evaporative emission control canister is crucial for the proper functioning of the vehicle's emissions system. A malfunctioning canister can lead to increased emissions, decreased fuel efficiency, and potential damage to other engine components. By ensuring the canister is well maintained, drivers can help preserve air quality, reduce their vehicle's impact on the environment, and avoid potential costly repairs in the future. It is recommended to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for scheduled maintenance and to address any issues with the canister promptly to keep the vehicle running smoothly and eco-friendly. Understanding the role and significance of the evaporative emission control canister is key to maintaining a healthy emissions system and contributing to a cleaner environment for all. Signs that indicate replacement. Is your vehicle showing signs of needing an evaporative emission control canister replacement? Recognizing these indicators early can prevent further damage down the road. Let's look at some signals that suggest it might be time to replace the evaporative emission control canister. Check engine light illumination. One of the most common signs that your evaporative emission control canister needs replacement is the illumination of the check engine light on your dashboard. The onboard diagnostic system in your vehicle monitors the emissions control system, and when it detects a problem with the evaporative emission control canister, it triggers the check engine light to alert you. If you notice this warning light on, it's crucial to have your vehicle checked by a mechanic to diagnose the issue promptly. Strong fuel smell. Another red flag that could indicate a failing evaporative emission control canister is a strong fuel smell, especially when you're near the rear of your vehicle. The canister is designed to capture fuel vapors to prevent them from escaping into the atmosphere. If the canister is damaged or worn out, it may not be able to contain these vapors effectively, leading to a noticeable fuel odor. Ignoring this sign could not only harm the environment but also pose a potential safety hazard, so it's essential to address it promptly. Decreased fuel efficiency. A decrease in fuel efficiency can also signal an issue with the evaporative emission control canister. Since the canister plays a crucial role in recycling fuel vapors back to the engine for combustion, a malfunctioning canister can disrupt this process, causing your vehicle to consume more fuel than usual. If you find yourself making more frequent stops at the gas station or notice a sudden drop in miles per gallon, it's advisable to have your vehicle inspected for possible canister problems. Keeping an eye out for these signs can help you address evaporative emission control canister issues early on, potentially saving you from more extensive repairs in the future. If you notice any of these indicators, don't hesitate to consult a qualified mechanic for a thorough diagnosis and timely replacement. Steps to replace the evaporative emission control canister. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of replacing the evaporative emission control canister. Diagnostic testing. Before beginning the replacement process, it's crucial to perform diagnostic testing to confirm that the evaporative emission control canister is indeed the source of the issue. This can be done using an OBD-II scanner to check for trouble codes related to the emissions system. Locating the canister. The evaporative emission control canister is typically located near the fuel tank or under the hood of the vehicle. Refer to your vehicle's service manual or consult with a mechanic to pinpoint the exact location of the canister in your specific make and model. Removing the old canister. To remove the old evaporative emission control canister, start by disconnecting the electrical connectors and hoses attached to it. Use the appropriate tools to loosen any fasteners securing the canister in place. Carefully remove the canister, taking note of its orientation for proper installation of the new one. Installing the new canister. Once the old canister is removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new evaporative emission control canister in the same position as the old one and secure it with the fasteners. Reconnect the electrical connectors and hoses, ensuring everything is properly attached and sealed. Testing the system. After installing the new evaporative emission control canister, perform a final check by conducting another diagnostic test with the OBD-II scanner. Clear any trouble codes that may have been triggered during the replacement process and ensure that the system is functioning correctly. Take the vehicle for a test drive to confirm that there are no issues with the emission system post-replacement. That's it for part 1 of our guide on EVAP canister replacement. We've covered the basics and diagnostic steps. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll walk you through the replacement process. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.